Hello everyone, this is Tyson with the Miami Association of Realtors bringing you another iMapp tip. This time around what we're going to do is find homeowners that purchased their property in the Doral area for single family homes that purchased their homes originally back in the year of 2010. For this example we're going to focus on single family homeowners. So we're going to go over here where you see property use code and then select specifically single family home. And then what we're going to do is repurpose the field's subdivision name and property zip code and then switch these two to sale date. Both of these need to say sale date to do the search. So we're going to go ahead and select subdivision name, select sale date, and then also switch property zip code to sale date. But there's going to be a little bit of a difference between these two fields. What we're going to do is find all of the homeowners that purchased specifically since the beginning of 2010 through the end of 2010. So we're going to go ahead and switch this to greater than or equal to. And then we're going to switch this second one specifically to less than or equal to. In the first sale date, we're going to go back to the beginning of 2010. So we're going to put in 01/01/2010. And then under the second option, we're going to type in December the 31st of 2010. Specifically, and then we're going to switch the third option to property city. And we're going to look specifically in the Doral area. We're also going to focus on the units that are occupied by the owner that purchased. So we're going to switch parcel ID to owner occupied, and we're going to select yes. From there, we're going to click on Start Search, and this will provide me all of the homeowners that purchased their homes back in 2010 for single-family homes in Doral, and we are currently reflecting a total of 93 that are owner occupied. If you do want to create mailing labels, be sure to view the video mailing labels within our help center or by going to youtube.com/miamitrainers. Thank you for watching.